Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 50 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something silver, and I'm going to use these rhinestones, something from mythology or legend. I have got a centaur, image of something made from wood or wood grain. I've got this boat, clothing tags, I've got 2 of those. Graph paper, I used that in my background, and something upside down, which I'll have that later. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022CWP50 to see what everyone else has made. After this week, there's only 2 more weeks of this year. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is, week 50 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And she does have her prompts in her Etsy shop for next year. So I hope you like this. I've got my something silver, which is the center of this flower. Something from mythology or legend. I've got the centaur. An image or something made from wood or wood grain. I've got this boat. A clothing tag, I've got 2 clothing tags. Graph paper is my background. And something upside down. And it's laugh, grow, and wise. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out hashtag 2022CWP50 to see what everyone else has made. I've so enjoyed this. So until next time, bye y'all.